welcome back to our channel! Today we're making a 24 karat gold Dubai Chocolate Slime.
And what you're gonna need for this is bowls to mix in.
Then you're gonna need some glue,
shaving cream and an activator. In this case we're using a contact solution.
blue and gold color.
And we're gonna add some gold beads. Let's get mixing!
Then you're gonna pour your glue into the bowl.
Add some shaving cream to make it fluffy. Mix! Then you're gonna add your coloring. And then you're gonna add the contact solution to make the slime.
Here you can see the slime coming together. When you see the slime starting to form, you can take it out the bowl and work with your hands. And we're gonna add some gold beads to make it even more gold.
It's time to mix. Let's see what color it makes.
This is so awesome!
It's starting to turn green and the beads look so good with the green.
This is a real Dubai 24 karat gold Labubu slime.
Smash the subscribe button, comment down below what slime you want us to make next time. As always, see you later, slime gang. Comment down below what video you would like us to make next.